me, Lord Jesus, I ask you to stay close by me forever and love me, I pray. Bless all the dear children in your tender care and take us to heaven to live with you there.
Ano sabihin mo?
Salamat.